The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Now, I'm putting forth this 365 Black purchasing challenge. Basically, what it is you're going to pick one task in your household or one thing that you do regularly, like bathing, eating, whatever the case is. You're going to do this one thing by using one Black owned brand. Doesn't have to be a business or whatever, just whatever it is that you're doing on a consistent basis. Replace it with a Black owned product. My choice is I'm going to do my laundry with nothing but this True brand product. That's it. My washer and dryer will only use True detergent and True fabric softener, and then I have some True dryer sheets for my dryer. Now, that's one product, and I'm doing one task. Incremental changes to make something stick. Now, the goal, of course, is to bring consistent revenue to the business that I'm supporting, that is supporting my community down here in Metro Atlanta. And I want to make sure they succeed. If we get, and I say if we just do that one thing, how profitable could that company be? And you don't have to just choose detergent. What if you just use one particular brand of soap for your bathing needs, and it's a Black owned brand, and you just do it consistently? If enough of a customer base supports that brand and does it and that only, that business will stay afloat. That's the thought behind this. So again, this challenge is in conjunction with some of the saving challenges I put myself in, just a way to change your mindset and your behaviors incrementally. So it's not just like jumping into a fad diet, so to speak. No, you got to make consistent changes and keep them up. Now, it's been a week. And speaking of that diet change, I don't go out to fast food restaurants anymore. All right. First week's down, I cooked every meal, and I think I'm going to be able to do that again this week. And I'm just going to take it 1 week at a time. And I'm not going to backtrack. I'm going to keep doing that. Also incorporated the Munger method. I did a video on that. My investment stuff. I cut all of my streaming services. I was tempted to start my Amazon Music back up again because it made some glitches with my Alexa devices. Not doing it. I cut about $90 worth of streaming services, and I'm going to keep it going. Now, there is going to come a time when there's a show that I'm going to want to see, and I'm going to go ahead and purchase it and binge it for that month. But that's it. That's it. That'll be my treat. But consistent, incremental changes in your purchasing behavior is going to change your community. That's this Bob challenge, the 365 Black Bob challenge. You're going to buy a Black owned brand 365 days out the year within this community. Let me know how it's going for you. I'll talk to you later.